PandaDoc Online Training. Introduction to PandaDoc. PandaDoc is a comprehensive document management platform that allows businesses to streamline their document creation, distribution, and management processes. It offers a range of features designed to enhance productivity, improve collaboration, and ensure compliance with legal and regulatory standards. The platform is particularly useful for creating, sending, and tracking proposals, quotes, contracts, and other business documents. Overview of PandaDoc features. PandaDoc is a versatile document automation software that provides a wide range of features designed to streamline the creation, management, and execution of business documents. Here's an overview of PandaDoc's key features. 1. Document creation and templates. Customizable templates. PandaDoc offers a variety of templates that can be customized to fit specific business needs, saving time and ensuring consistency. Content library. Users can store and reuse frequently used content, such as text snippets, images, and product descriptions. Drag-and-drop editor. The intuitive editor allows users to easily add and arrange text, images, videos, and other elements within their documents. 2. E-signatures. Legally binding e-signatures. PandaDoc provides secure and legally binding e-signatures that comply with global e-signature laws. Signature workflows. Users can create custom signing workflows, including setting the order of signers and assigning different roles. 3. Collaboration and workflow. Team collaboration. Multiple users can collaborate on a document simultaneously with real-time commenting and editing capabilities. Approval workflows. Documents can be routed through predefined approval processes, ensuring that all necessary stakeholders review and approve them. 4. Document management. Version control. PandaDoc tracks changes and maintains a version history, allowing users to revert to previous versions if needed. Document analytics. Detailed analytics provide insights into how recipients interact with documents, including time spent on each page and whether the document has been forwarded. Notifications. Automated notifications keep users informed about document status changes, such as when a document is viewed, commented on, or signed. 5. Integrations. CRM integrations. PandaDoc integrates with popular CRM systems like Salesforce, HubSpot, and Zoho CRM, enabling seamless document generation from CRM data. Payment integrations. The platform supports integrations with payment processors like Stripe and PayPal, allowing users to collect payments directly within documents. API and webhooks. Custom integrations can be built using PandaDoc's API and webhook capabilities. 6. Security and compliance. Data encryption. PandaDoc uses industry-standard encryption to protect data both in transit and at rest. Compliance. The platform complies with various industry standards and regulations, such as GDPR and SOC 2, ensuring the highest levels of data security and privacy. 7. Mobile access. Mobile app. PandaDoc offers a mobile app that allows users to create, edit, and sign documents on the go. Responsive design. Documents created with PandaDoc are mobile-friendly, ensuring they look good and function well on any device. 8. Customization and branding. Custom branding. Users can customize documents with their branding elements such as logos, colors, and fonts. Custom fields. Dynamic fields can be added to documents to personalize content based on recipient information. 9. Pricing and quotes. Pricing tables. Users can create dynamic pricing tables within documents, making it easy to present quotes and proposals. Interactive quotes. Recipients can select options, adjust quantities, and see updated pricing in real time. 10. Customer support. Knowledge base. PandaDoc provides a comprehensive knowledge base with tutorials, guides, and FAQs. Customer support. Users can access support through various channels, including chat, email, and phone, depending on their subscription plan. Collaboration tools in PandaDoc. PandaDoc is a comprehensive document management platform that offers various collaboration tools to enhance the document creation, review, and approval processes. Here are some key collaboration features in PandaDoc. Real-time collaboration. Document editing. Multiple users can edit documents simultaneously, seeing each other's changes in real time. Commenting. Users can leave comments on specific sections of a document, making it easy to provide feedback and discuss changes. Approval workflows. Approval process. Set up automated approval workflows to ensure documents are reviewed and approved by the necessary stakeholders before being finalized. Notifications. Receive notifications when documents are submitted for approval or when action is required, keeping the workflow moving smoothly. Templates and content library. Reusable templates. Use pre-built templates to standardize documents and speed up the creation process. Content library. Store frequently used content, such as text blocks, images, and pricing tables, in a central repository for easy access and reuse. Electronic signatures. E-signatures. Securely collect electronic signatures from clients and team members, eliminating the need for paper-based signing processes. Signature workflows. Customize the signing order and assign specific fields to different signers. Version control. Document history. Track changes and access previous versions of documents to understand the evolution of a document and revert to an earlier version if necessary. Integration with other tools. CRM integration. Integrate with popular CRM systems, example Salesforce, HubSpot, to streamline the document creation process and maintain consistency across platforms. Other integrations. Connect with various other tools, such as payment processors and cloud storage solutions, to enhance overall productivity. Document analytics. Engagement tracking. Monitor how recipients interact with documents, including views, time spent on each section, and completion status. Reporting. Generate reports to analyze document performance and identify areas for improvement. Integration with third-party applications. Integration with third-party applications is a crucial aspect for enhancing the functionality and interoperability of your software systems. Below are key considerations and steps for integrating with third-party applications. Key considerations. Define objectives and requirements. Identify the purpose of the integration. Specify the required features and functionalities. Understand the data flow between systems. Select the right third-party applications. Evaluate different third-party applications based on your requirements. Consider compatibility, scalability, and reliability. Authentication and authorization. Use secure methods for authentication, auth, API keys, etc. Ensure proper authorization mechanisms are in place. API documentation and standards. Thoroughly review the third-party application's API documentation. Follow best practices and standards for API integration. Data mapping and transformation. Map data fields between your application and the third-party application. Implement data transformation logic if necessary. Error handling and logging. Implement robust error handling mechanisms. Maintain logs for monitoring and troubleshooting. Security and compliance in PandaDoc. Security and compliance are critical aspects of any document management and e-signature platform. PandaDoc, a leading provider in this space, has implemented various measures to ensure the safety and compliance of its services. Here's an overview. Security measures. Data encryption. In transit, PandaDoc uses TLS 1.2 or higher to encrypt data transmitted between users and its servers. At rest, data is encrypted using AES-256 encryption. Access control. User authentication supports two-factor authentication, TUFA, and single sign-on, SSO, for enhanced security. Role-based access. Administrators can define roles and permissions, ensuring that users have access only to the documents and features necessary for their role. Data centers. PandaDoc utilizes secure, SOC 2 certified data centers that provide high levels of physical security and environmental controls. Network security. Firewalls and intrusion detection systems, IDs, are in place to protect against unauthorized access and threats. Regular vulnerability assessments and penetration testing are conducted to identify and mitigate potential security risks. Audit logs. Comprehensive logging of user activities ensures accountability and traceability. Audit logs record actions such as document access, changes, and sharing. PandaDoc for sales and marketing teams. PandaDoc is a document automation and management software that helps sales and marketing teams streamline their workflows, improve document accuracy, and enhance collaboration. Here's how PandaDoc can be beneficial for these teams. For sales teams. Streamline proposal creation. Templates. Easily create and use customizable templates for proposals, quotes, contracts, and agreements. Content library. Store and reuse approved content such as product descriptions, pricing tables, and terms and conditions. Improved efficiency. Automation. Automate document generation with CRM integrations. Example, Salesforce, HubSpot, reducing manual entry and minimizing errors. Electronic signatures. Enable quick and secure electronic signatures to speed up the closing process. Enhanced collaboration. Comments and chat. Collaborate in real time with internal teams and clients through in-document comments and chat features. Workflow management. Track document status and manage approval workflows to ensure timely follow-ups and approvals. Analytics and insights. Tracking, monitor document views, interactions, and completion rates to gain insights into client engagement. Reporting, generate reports on document performance to identify trends and optimize the sales process. For marketing teams. Brand consistency. Design customization. Ensure all documents are on brand with customizable templates that reflect the company's visual identity. Content control. Maintain control over content by providing a centralized library of approved marketing materials. Campaign management. Personalized documents. Create personalized marketing materials for different segments, campaigns, or individual clients. Integrations. Integrate with marketing automation tools, example, Marketo, MailChimp, to streamline campaign workflows. Lead generation and nurturing. Interactive content. Create engaging, interactive documents that can capture leads and nurture prospects through the sales funnel. Form integration. Incorporate forms and surveys within documents to gather feedback and insights directly from recipients. What is PandaDoc and how does it work? PandaDoc is a comprehensive document management platform designed to streamline the creation, distribution, and management of documents, particularly those requiring electronic signatures. It caters to businesses and individuals who need to handle documents efficiently and securely. Here's a detailed breakdown of what PandaDoc is and how it works. What is PandaDoc? Document automation platform. PandaDoc automates the document creation process, reducing manual effort and minimizing errors. Electronic signatures. It offers a legally binding e-signature solution, enabling users to sign documents electronically. Collaboration tool. The platform facilitates collaboration by allowing multiple users to work on a document simultaneously. Sales enablement tool. PandaDoc includes features specifically designed for sales teams, such as proposal generation, contract management, and payment processing. Key features of PandaDoc. Templates. Pre-built templates for various document types, contracts, proposals, quotes, etc., which can be customized to fit specific needs. Editor. A drag-and-drop editor that allows users to create and modify documents easily. E-signatures. Secure and compliant electronic signature functionality. CRM integration. Integrates with popular CRM systems like Salesforce, HubSpot, and Zoho CRM. Analytics. Provides insights and analytics on document status, including views, time spent on each section, and completion rates. Workflow automation. Automates approval workflows and notifications, ensuring documents move smoothly through the necessary steps. Content library. A repository for frequently used content, such as product descriptions, terms and conditions, and pricing tables. How does PandaDoc work? Create a document. Users start by selecting a template or creating a document from scratch using the PandaDoc editor. The drag-and-drop interface makes it easy to add text, images, tables, and other elements. Customize and collaborate. The document can be customized to meet specific requirements. Users can collaborate in real time, leaving comments and suggestions. Send for review and signatures. Once the document is ready, it can be sent to recipients for review and electronic signatures. The recipients receive an email with a link to the document. E-signature. Recipients can sign the document electronically using any device. PandaDoc ensures the process is secure and legally binding. Track and manage. Users can track the status of the document, seeing who has viewed it, signed it, and how much time was spent on each section. Reminders can be set up to prompt recipients who haven't yet signed. Store and analyze. Signed documents are stored securely within the PandaDoc platform. Users can analyze the performance of their documents, gaining insights into response times and engagement levels. Benefits of using PandaDoc. Efficiency. Streamlines the document creation and approval process, saving time and reducing errors. Professionalism. Helps create polished, professional documents that reflect well on the business. Convenience. Simplifies the signing process for recipients who can sign documents from anywhere using any device. Security. Ensures documents are handled securely and that signatures are legally binding. Integration. Works seamlessly with other business tools, improving overall workflow efficiency. Use cases. Sales teams for creating proposals, quotes, and contracts and tracking their progress. HR departments for managing employee onboarding documents, contracts, and performance reviews. Legal departments for drafting, reviewing, and signing legal agreements. Finance teams for handling invoices, purchase orders, and financial reports. How can PandaDoc improve your workflow? Streamline document creation. Templates. Use pre-built or custom templates to quickly generate documents, saving time on repetitive tasks. Editor. A user-friendly editor allows you to easily customize and format documents to meet your needs. Enhanced collaboration. Real-time collaboration. Multiple team members can work on the same document simultaneously, making it easier to share ideas and feedback. Comments and approvals. Built-in commenting and approval workflows facilitate smooth collaboration and review processes. Improved document management. Centralized storage. Store all your documents in a single, secure location, making it easy to access and manage files. Version control. Keep track of document versions and changes to ensure everyone is working on the most up-to-date version. Automated workflows. E-signatures. Collect electronic signatures quickly and securely, reducing the time spent on manual signing processes. Automated notifications. Receive notifications for document views, approvals, and signatures, helping you stay on top of the workflow. Increased productivity. Integrations. Integrate with other tools like CRM systems, accounting software, and cloud storage solutions to streamline data flow and reduce manual entry. Analytics and insights. Track document status and performance with analytics, helping you understand bottlenecks and improve processes. Secure and compliant. Security. Benefit from robust security features, including encryption, secure storage, and access controls to protect sensitive information. Compliance. Ensure your documents comply with industry standards and regulations, such as GDPR and HIPAA, through built-in compliance features. What are the key features of PandaDoc? PandaDoc is a comprehensive document management software designed to streamline the creation, approval, and management of documents such as proposals, quotes, contracts, and other business documents. Here are some of its key features. Document creation and editing. Templates. PandaDoc offers a library of customizable templates that can be used to quickly create professional documents. Drag and drop editor. Users can easily create and edit documents using a user-friendly drag and drop interface. Content library. Save frequently used content, such as text, images, and tables, for easy reuse in future documents. E-signatures. Legally binding e-signatures. PandaDoc supports secure and legally binding electronic signatures, making it easy for recipients to sign documents online. Signature workflow. Customize the signing order and process for multiple signers. Collaboration and workflow. Real-time collaboration. Multiple users can collaborate on documents in real time, adding comments and making edits. Approval workflows. Set up approval workflows to ensure documents are reviewed and approved by the right people before being sent out. Integrations. CRM integration. PandaDoc integrates with popular CRM systems such as Salesforce, HubSpot, and Zoho, allowing for seamless data transfer and document creation. Other integrations. It also integrates with other business tools like Zapier, Google Drive, and Dropbox. Document analytics. Tracking. Track when a document is opened, viewed, and signed. Analytics. Gain insights into how recipients interact with documents, such as which pages they spend the most time on. How does PandaDoc streamline document management? Document creation and templates. PandaDoc provides a user-friendly interface for creating documents from scratch or using templates. Templates can be customized with drag-and-drop elements, making it easy to create professional-looking documents without starting from scratch each time. Collaboration. Users can collaborate on documents in real time. Multiple team members can work on the same document simultaneously, which enhances productivity and reduces turnaround times. Electronic signatures. One of the core features of PandaDoc is its electronic signature capabilities. Users can send documents for signature directly from the platform, eliminating the need for printing, scanning, or faxing. This speeds up the signing process significantly. Integration. PandaDoc integrates with various CRM, customer relationship management, systems and other business tools like Salesforce, HubSpot, and Zapier. This integration capability ensures seamless document workflows within existing business processes. Tracking and analytics. PandaDoc offers tracking and analytics features that provide insights into document engagement. Users can see when recipients open a document, how much time they spend on each section, and when they sign. This helps in following up effectively and understanding recipient behavior. Automation. Automation features allow users to create workflows that automatically send follow-up emails, reminders, or trigger actions based on recipient interactions with the document. This saves time and ensures a more efficient document management process. Security. PandaDoc prioritizes document security with features like encryption, access controls, and compliance with international regulations such as GDPR and HIPAA. This ensures that sensitive information remains protected. Mobile accessibility. PandaDoc is accessible via mobile devices, allowing users to manage documents on the go. This flexibility is particularly useful for sales teams and professionals who travel frequently. What industries benefit most from using PandaDoc? PandaDoc, as a document automation and management platform, is particularly beneficial for industries and sectors that heavily rely on document processing, contract management, and streamlining of workflows. Here are some industries that benefit significantly from using PandaDoc. Sales and marketing. PandaDoc is extensively used in sales teams to streamline the creation, approval, and signing of sales proposals, quotes, and contracts. It helps in accelerating deal cycles and improving sales efficiency. Legal services. Law firms and legal departments utilize PandaDoc for managing contracts, agreements, and legal documents more efficiently. It facilitates electronic signatures, version control, and ensures compliance with legal requirements. Real estate. Real estate agents and property management companies use PandaDoc for creating, sending, and tracking contracts, lease agreements, and other documents related to property transactions. It simplifies the signature process and speeds up closings. Human resources. HR departments use PandaDoc for managing employment contracts, offer letters, onboarding documents, and other HR-related paperwork. It helps in ensuring accuracy, compliance, and efficiency in document handling. Finance and insurance. Financial institutions and insurance companies benefit from PandaDoc for generating and managing financial agreements, insurance policies, claims forms, and client proposals. It improves accuracy and speeds up processing times. Technology and IT services. Companies in the tech industry use PandaDoc for managing contracts, service agreements, and proposals related to software development, IT services, and consulting. It helps in maintaining clear communication and tracking of project details. Consulting and professional services. Consulting firms and other professional services organizations use PandaDoc for creating and managing client proposals, contracts, and statements of work, it streamlines document workflows and enhances client interactions. Education and non-profits. Educational institutions and non-profit organizations use PandaDoc for managing grant proposals, fundraising documents, partnership agreements, and other administrative paperwork. It helps in improving operational efficiency and compliance. Healthcare. Healthcare providers and organizations utilize PandaDoc for managing patient consent forms, healthcare agreements, vendor contracts, and other healthcare-related documents. It ensures document security and compliance with regulations. How user-friendly is the PandaDoc interface? PandaDoc is generally considered user-friendly due to its intuitive interface and straightforward document creation process. Here are some factors contributing to its user-friendliness. Ease of use. PandaDoc offers a user-friendly interface that simplifies the process of creating, sending, and e-signing documents. The platform is designed to be intuitive, making it accessible for users with varying levels of technical expertise. Document creation. Users can easily create documents from scratch or use templates provided by PandaDoc. The drag-and-drop editor allows for customization of documents without needing advanced design skills. Integration: PandaDoc integrates with various business tools and CRMs, which enhances usability by allowing seamless document management within existing workflows. Collaboration: the platform supports real-time collaboration, allowing multiple users to work on documents simultaneously. Comments and notifications streamline communication among team members. E-signature: PandaDoc simplifies the e-signature process, making it easy for recipients to sign documents electronically from any device. This enhances the overall user experience by eliminating the need for physical signatures and delays. Support and resources: PandaDoc offers customer support and resources such as tutorials, webinars, and a knowledge base to assist users in getting the most out of the platform. Why choose ProExcellency for PandaDoc online training? Choosing ProExcellency for PandaDoc online training offers several benefits that make it a worthwhile investment. Here are some reasons why ProExcellency stands out. Experienced instructors: ProExcellency boasts a team of seasoned professionals with extensive experience in using and teaching PandaDoc. Their practical knowledge ensures that you receive hands-on, real-world training. Comprehensive curriculum: the training program covers all aspects of PandaDoc, from basic functionalities to advanced features. This ensures that you gain a thorough understanding of the platform, making you proficient in its use. Flexible learning options: ProExcellency offers flexible learning schedules, including live online classes and recorded sessions. This allows you to learn at your own pace and convenience. Practical training: the training is designed to be highly practical, with real-life scenarios and exercises. This helps you apply what you learn immediately in your professional environment. Certification: upon completion of the course, you receive a certification that validates your expertise in PandaDoc. This can enhance your resume and improve your job prospects. Personalized support: ProExcellency provides personalized support and guidance throughout your learning journey. This includes answering your queries, providing additional resources, and offering career advice. Affordable pricing: the training is offered at competitive prices, providing great value for the quality of education and support you receive. Positive reviews: ProExcellency has received positive feedback from past students who have successfully transitioned to using PandaDoc effectively in their careers. Thank you.